Woo! Woo! Another look at that Egg Nog waffle by Chef P and Bonz. Okay, we're gonna take that old Egg Nog waffle right out of the waffle iron. I'm gonna sit it right here. Then we're gonna hit it with my famous butter Jack Daniels syrup. Okay, family, like so. Then push the old waffle iron aside and that eggnog waffle with the Jack Daniels syrup. And I prepared something a little different. Eggnog cream cheese, okay? So let's just say you want to take that waffle apart, like, and dip it right into my eggnog cream cheese dip. Delicious. Just in time for the holiday. By Chef P and Bonz. That eggnog waffle with that Jack Daniels syrup and my eggnog cream cheese dip. Family. Advisory: don't eat and drive. Don't eat and try to drive with this Jack Daniels syrup by Chef P and Bonz. Boom!